How do you connect good intentions with sound economics? Acton University is a unique 4-day learning experience in Grand Rapids, Michigan that empowers leaders from around the world to understand and apply the intellectual foundations of a free and virtuous society. Guided by a distinguished international faculty, Acton University equips leaders with knowledge and skills that enable them to integrate rigorous philosophy, theology, and sound free market economics. This coming June 2015 is our 10th anniversary, and we are making preparations to welcome more than 800 participants from 70+ countries who will learn, grow, and form enduring partnerships that will create the conditions for freedom, faith, and free markets to flourish. Are you ready for the Acton University experience? Register now online at university.acton.org. Acton University. We are building the foundations of freedom.